Good evening, everyone. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck between who you are and who you want to be? Anyone? I have. I have, and let me tell you, it was like running on a treadmill, moving fast, but getting nowhere. But then something changed. I'm Manju Pachisia, a positive psychology coach, NLP practitioner, and curator of Bella Mente, a unique gym for emotional fitness based on group therapy. Today, I shall share my transformational journey from numbers to emotions, a story of feeling stuck, finding clarity, and learning how not to just survive but thrive. At 40, I was happy-go-lucky mother of two, balancing family life while learning the intricacies of our family business, which revolve around numbers. Numbers had rhythm, logical and predictable. To strengthen my expertise, I pursued financial planning and mastered in numbers. From the outside, everything seemed perfect. I was growing, I was contributing, and I was ticking all the boxes right. But internally, something felt off, like I was playing a role in someone else's script, as if my ladder was put against a wrong wall. I felt like I was climbing a mountain without a roadmap, with no clear destination. And this is how the frustration started creeping in, and so did self doubt. And if I'm being honest, a little envy for those who seem to have their life completely figured out. One morning during my walk, it hit me why I'm feeling so unfulfilled. The answer was very simple. Numbers were never my passion. I was good at numbers, but they didn't spark joy in me. They were my skill, but they were not my calling. What truly fascinated me was human behavior. Why people think, feel, and act the way they do. And that single moment of clarity set me on a new path. This new found clarity led me to Cornash Lifestyle Management School, a center for emotional well being. After spending years and working with numbers, for the first time, I explored my own emotions, understood my patterns, and bridged the gap between my reality and aspirations. And this self awareness revealed something very deep, that this was my calling. This was my ikigai, my reason for being, helping people navigate their emotions and guiding them towards self discovery. This was the work I was meant to do. As a therapist, I noticed a common pattern. People don't talk about their emotions until life or relationship starts falling apart. Suppressing emotions had become the norm, and seeking help was often the last resort. This realization led to the birth of Bella Mente in 2013, a gym for emotional fitness. Bella Mente, which translates to beautiful mind, is a unique initiative for preventive emotional health care through group therapy. Why preventive emotional health care matters? In today's fast paced world, emotional challenges such as parenting struggles, marital discord, stress, conflict, work life balance, etc., can take a huge toll on our mental well being. While books, workshops, and self help seminars provide valuable insights, but they often lack continuity, accountability, and real time application. Consider a fitness analogy. If weight loss is the only goal for joining a gym, the effort often ends once the goal is achieved. Without a sustainable fitness routine, weight gain may return, and sometimes worse than before with other complex problems. True physical fitness requires ongoing commitment, motivation, and a structured routine. Just like we exercise regularly to keep our bodies fit, our emotions also needs regular training. Managing life's emotional ups and downs whether positive or negative, requires consistent effort, motivation, and a structured approach. Recognizing this need, Bellamente was designed as a proactive and preventive emotional wellness initiative through a group therapy structure where people meet, interact, share, and brainstorm on topics of human behavior under the guidance of a trained and experienced professional. As they say, a lot can happen over coffee. Our coffee and conversations model is without any technical jargon. It has just open, honest conversations over coffee, each time at a different venue to create extra zing. Some of our conversations, is it okay to be okay? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, bitter to better, एल्बर्ट पिंटो को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? मिर्ची लगी, mind the gap, if life came with a GPS, and so on. Through written exercises and experience sharing, participants engage in light-hearted yet introspective and deep conversations. Over 12 years, Bellamente has grown into 2 thriving groups with a growing number of participants. I have witnessed incredible personal transformations. People who once felt lost and overwhelmed now navigate life with confidence and clarity. From numbers to emotions, my own journey has come to a full circle, while Bellamente continues to be a space where people transform, heal, and thrive. Thank you. I want you all to experience sharing from a group of the member. Please put it on.
Hi, this is Shashi Mohta here. I would like to talk about Bellamente. For me, Bellamente is an excellent platform which actually helps us to take care about our mental and emotional health. Our mentor, Manju Pachisia, she comes up with different topics every time we meet over coffee, different places which we go for coffee, and then we have our conversations regarding these topics. It could be anger, jealousy, all these kind of emotions that everybody deals with in our regular lives. And what are the actual antidotes, our behavior, how should we react or respond to situations. So many times we deal with situations subconsciously or unconsciously. We think it's a regular part, but actually it's not. So we learn how to be more mindful about our emotions, about our speech, the way we talk, the way we address. So it's actually changed my life. I've become more mindful, more peaceful. It helps us, number one, in maintaining excellent relationships around us. Number two, for our own well-being. I would suggest Bellamente has really made wonders in my life. So guys, it would be really nice if we all could try here, and it would make a grand difference to all our lives too. Thank you.
So all are invited for coffee and conversation and for some deeper conversations. Thank you.